A historic One Northeast Unity Thansa rally was successfully held on November 27th at Astabal Playground in the capital Agartala under the leadership of Babagra Pradyut Kishore Manikia Debarma. The massive gathering, which saw participation from top leaders across the northeastern states, aims to consolidate the voices of the indigenous communities and marks the beginning of the One Northeast Foundation. November 27th is also the day the late Maharaja Kirit Bikram Kishore Manikia passed away. Earlier in the day, Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Debarma performed the last rites of his father at the cremation ground in Battala.
Kira tasajak no deh. Isri.
The rally faced significant challenges, including opposition from the BJP government. The event was initially proposed for November 7th but was postponed. Crucially, the Astabal Playground was only granted for use at the last moment, the night before the rally on November 25th. Despite the short notice, the dedicated youth, student wings and warriors of the promoter worked tirelessly for several hours to construct the stage, banners, flags and clean the playground, ensuring the rally could proceed. jotto rangsakhani khapang tak dai bukjong tini chini khorongni team phai sok pajak rajakhar agolini astobol thungna khlawa tipra hani lukurok jotono saimano tini ni saltamo tini sal belani kotor haste gnangai kereng thaini kami amchani jotto tiprasa lukurok tini rajakhar agolio o astobol thungna khlawa bobagrani ringjak bai bobagrani ringma bai haste kerengai jotto lukurok tiprasa amchani bororok jotono phaine tini rajakhor agolini o astobol thungna khlo bobagrani thanchano logirna bagi phailajak oba hakino chung saimanka sekango jora saklajak tungma hakino one north east foundation ni joto north east ni leaders ok bahaino phai sok pajak tini chini tipra hastewo so haino hai chung tabuk chini tipra mothani khoroksa forest minister chini sar onimes moi malaka bini khokdi busung saiman lane sar chung nugui manka o tini ni o mass gathering engna tongmani 7 november abon yaglo postpone khaimang tini 27 november engna tongmabo jorani bisingo astobol thungna khala rjakliya guma challenges face khai tongo abono tei tam sanamu sung lukurok no tinin o mass gathering bahai no
challenges tongnai heche challenges no lorai khaino jengma thangnai heche tinini জনসভা খুব সাকসেস নাই এবং ওয়ান নর্থ ইস্ট ওয়ান ভয়েস ni bagi tini oro যত নর্থ ইস্ট ni বরম গোনাং লিডার জক ফাইনাই বড় কক রক নারাকনাই চিনি হাস্তেনি লিডার জব কক নারাকনাই হেছে এবং চিনি থিনাংনো মথাংনা বাগিনো जों थांनान बागिनो म चबा हेছে जों नुखा गोबां मामते शक्ति फायो कमाओ चिनि हावबो जों नुखा हेছে गोबां मा पलिटिकल पार्टी फायो कमाई थांगो किन्तु कमालाया तै हेছে ताबो हास्तेव सिमि तंगे सारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट बाहायक्लाय जों थानसाक्लाय चिनि नॉर्थ ईस्ट सेफगार्ड रानी अमनो म गैदरिंग नि नाहारमु
sir oxygen se mo hai botong je one north east foundation je form one ya gulo tini north east ni koboma leaders of fight even meghalaya ni chief minister oba ke joto states ni boro fight obono tei korok boro political strategy hine naisho go je bas kang edc election tomone bagi amon baki phiro mung nai
political bui to sanai mo political strategy mano strategy kintu strategy to hami ani bagi yabla थांनानि बागि स्ट्रेटेजी खाइमानि जामो सो थांनानि स्ट्रेटेजी नलो तांगे हामी हान्नाय बायचे दिस स्ट्रेटेजी इज फॉर आवर सर्वाइवल
सत्ताके सुंगमंग अंकै तिनिनि ओ जे मास गैदरिंग नि यागलो जे ट्राइपार्टाइट एग्रीमेंट तंगमारो अबा हागे कुमा एकॉर्ड साइन खाजे तंगमारो अब बुसु जरते सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट थानि प्रेसर रजाक्तै इंगै इम्प्लिमेंट खाने बागि थांना
आगि जों सिमि सानो ताबु पाल मिलि साननाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट चिनि ककमा खनानाय हेते खरकसा सानमा बाय खरकगा सानमानि फेरो हेছে सो सारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि बरगनो जतन डिमांड नो सपोर्ट खलाइलिनि
लास्ट ताबु लुकुरंग नो फाइट न लुकुरंग ताम को कचारनाय तिनि ने अपानन तिनि
थानसामा तंगनाय डिसिप्लिनो मा तंगनाय चेन ऑफ लीडरशिप नि कमांडो मा तंगनाय डिसिप्लिन सारा थानसा बैसिमिंगया थानसा ते डिसिप्लिन नांनाय स्ट्रेटेजी नां जों अरमा तंगनाय
लामसो हायना हाय ताबुक जों राजाखर थुं अरो आस्तबल थुंना खलाव हायना फाइमान काचिनि एमएलए सारनजित जों बावैबो सोंलायन बावैबो साइमान लाइन तिनिनि अ तिप्रा मथनि जे रेली वन नॉर्थ ईस्ट फाउंडेशन नि जतो नॉर्थ ईस्ट लिडर्स अफ फाइ सकाय दङ बा सकाय जाक बाक्सा त बाहाय मातं मिया बाहायनो आस्तबल थुंना खलानो जरानि बिसिङो रजाकलिया बेलाय जरा कम बिसिङो हरदि बर वाइटीएफ नि वारियर रक जतो तिप्रा सासिकला रक अरो फाइलाइनि हरदि बरखे बरक तांलाके सनाम लागे सक्सेस खाइया अबनो तै बुमता हाय मातं तिनिनि अ पान्डा बुसु जते खरं सगैनो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट थानि
खनादि अ जे थानसानि जे रेली एबा वन नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि जे रेली अमना कासुनानि बागे गोबां मा जायतक जाखा जों 7 तारिख नभेम्बर मनतयै जों आरो पारमिशन साकालु कुथुम खायनानि बागे रिजागलिया 15 तारिख न नायखा 15 तारिख रिजागलिया 27 तारिख तिनि जे खायनानि अमनबो कंडीशन न रिवै जोंना खलाय जाखा अरो सुकल कायसे मेला खलायै अरो जे कासुइतनि जाखा मिया हर पर्यन्त बरक आबनो खलक पाया हेकाय चिंगनो पारमिशन निखा अथस अरो मेला खायरितो निखा तार माने न ताम जों बुजि खाबा माने अ थानसा जे नॉर्थ ईस्ट जे ना थां दं माने अमनो कासुनानि बागै जायतक जागै दंगो कारण चिनि बुबाग्रा एवं मेघालयनि चीफ मिनिस्टर मिस्टर कनर सांमा अ थानसा अंकनो नॉर्थ ईस्ट न खायनानि बागै जे जायतक दं माने आबनो बरक मकलक लायखा का आंखा खलायो तिनि अ थानसा जे नॉर्थ ईस्ट अमनो फुनुंनानि बागै जे आगरतला कुथुम पान्दाजों कटनमा खलाय दंगो अमनि बा अमबाय তিনি এমন মেসেজ থাকেন ত্রিপুরা তাই গোটা নর্থ ইস্ট অমুক কাছে মেসেজ থানা এবং দিল্লি নব সাইড নাই जोंनि मान थाइनो नर रियाखै जों नर्थ इस्ट थानचांखा এবং जों थानचाखायनो जों बरं नब मेसेज ना नायो अबनो तिनि आगुलिनि बिसिंथै आगुलिति खाय जों अ मेसेज ना तिनि रिनानि थाङै दंग এবং गोटा नर्थ इस्ट आं खाख्लायो तिनिनि अ लुकुथुम पान्दानि बिसिंथिनो सोलायजाक्तै इंगै थाङानो এবং लुकुरक दा वाइसा थानचाओ फायै निजिनि मानथाय निजिनि हानि बागै निजिनि दफानि बररंनि बागै सवाबाव खा गोस्रांगै बसावै बसकांगो आगगै फायनाय होनै आं खाख्लायदा
Sir, kaisa hai kok ba awai mungui tong je bisi brum brum da mungsa hai ADC election samo hai ba legislative assembly ni election ba mo hai jora roko no tiprasa lokorong na amsa ni ring hore ni hai ke rajokra agli tu buine political agenda ni mungui hai ke ideology kari oi borok koksil chamungsil jai tong hai amorong bagi koksil mo
borok je koksil chamani ni koksaka borok tangi khaimeya borok tangi khaimeya naidi जों अरो जे आदिवासी गौरव दिवस जनजाति गौरव दिवस जे खाइजाखा जों किन्तु आबनो बिरोधिता खाया खुमुलंग काहामखाय न खालायचा किन्तु जों आगरतला खायनानै थांगांगाखाय तांगै अमो तांगै केबें मुं आसायरि जाखा तांगै केबें मुं आसायरि जाखा आनि कक्टा हेकाखाय जों अरो तो कसां कसांखाय जों खायनानै आगिव अरो आगरतलावो गोबां मा जों अरो रेलि खायगा कुनु पार्टी मुंकरै मते रेलि तो जों इलेक्शन फायखनो जे खायो अब कगया जों इलेक्शन खायो इलेक्शन खायोबो खाय दङ जोंनि कायसा एजेन्डातै जों खालाय दङ इंखाय जों सेन्ट्रेल गभर्नमेन्ट बाय त्रिपुरा गभर्नमेन्ट ताई त्रिपुरा मथा गोथाव जों कायसा त्रिपाक्षिक एकटा एकर्ड दंखा अ एकर्ड दंमोन तिनि 20 मास संगै थांखा बिसिकनि कातै कातिं दंखा किन्तु अब इमप्लिमेन्ट खालायनो बागै कुनु या पेरिरम जायगा
6 मास बिसिं इमप्लिमेन्ट खायो
जों दिल्लीआव थांखा दिल्ली थांखाय सावाबो स्टेट कक सालाय खालायजांनाय इसिदा फाय कक साका अब दिल्ली नाय दङ अमती हाइकेनो जोंनो विभिन्न बाबे खायै दिनै जों नुखा जे अर 20 मास लाइरिखा किन्तु जोंथ' चिनि मानथायनि बागैसो जोंखौ सानब्ले चिनि रेडि होनाय जोंथ' आरो सांबिधाननि बायराथ' जों कोन साइन चिनि मानथायनि बायरा कोन जों ताम सानखाबा लैंड राइट्स पलिटिकल राइट्स चिनि कालचार डेभलपमेन्टनि कक्से जों साबले ना अब तांगै रियाबा दिनै बर'लेण्ड तो जुदि बर लैंड राइट्स माने सामंथाय दंमानो दिनै नि डिमासारक माने दङ काकाय दा अन्य अटोनमास डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउन्सिलनि बर'क मान दङ जों त्रिपुरा हास्टेनि चिन्तिति एडिसिनि लुखरक तां मायांनाबा अ राइट्स जों तां मायांनानै कमतो संविधान फातारया संविधान बिसिंग एवं टीटी एडिसी मन 2022 सन काउन्सिल बिल पास खाइ रहजाका तिनिसे पॉइंट आबने कोनो गभर्नमेन्ट एप्रुव रिजाग्या हयतो नों आबनो जुदि बुल तुरितखा एडिसिन थान फिरक रहदि आर जुदि बुल तुरितखा एप्रुव खाइ गभर्नमेन्ट थाने रहदि के तांगै रिजाग्याबा तांगै रिजाग्या गभर्नमेन्ट इंखाय तिनि जों अमतिखे जोंनो थों दङ हिनैनो जों गोटा नर्थ इस्ट सुदु त्रिपुरा सिमि थोंजाग्या गोटा नर्थ इस्टनि इन्डिजिनियास पिपलनो थोंजागौ के आबनि बागैनो जों तिनि थानचा खालायै चिनि मानथायनि कगनो सेन्ट्रेल गभर्नमेन्ट सानानि बागै दिल्ली गभर्नमेन्ट सानानि बागै जों तिनि अर थानचा उंखा के आबनि बागैनो अ थानचानि खरांनो तिनि आगरतला आस्ताबलनि नखालानो हयते सारा नर्थ इस्ट जों रहनाय एवं जों इन्डिया गभर्नमेन्ट माने सेन्ट्रेल गभर्नमेन्टबो जों मेसेज दिनाय नायदि चिनि मानथायनि बागै जों जतन थानचा उइ दङ चिनि मानथायनो नरक दातिरिदि उयाखाय नर्थ इस्ट सभा कटर उंनाय होनै जों मेसेज ना नायता
tabuk chung hai koklam salai chini IAS officer je bo titi edis ni former CEO tongmani sing sar bai kok salai chini sar sike jamatia bai sa tini ni all ti promotha tai one of this foundation by je collaboration khaine all program khaine thangi tongo bisi brum brum no ma rally kotor khlaijagin thango amon loge loge controversy ungmani sungno jago mia bahai na astobol thangno klano rojaglia jorani bisingo abar 7 November tongmani bo reschedule khaine postpone खायनि अमदा हाके तिनि सालो रजाखा बुमसा जरते challenges face खाय तंग तिप्रा मथा ओ रेली खायन थांथानि ताइ तिनि खरक बसक स्टेट्स नि नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि जतो लीडर्स अफ फाइ तंग बा बुमसा जरते इम्पैक्ट रजाक न अमो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अब के साइक नदि
तिनि 27 November 2025 तिनि महाराजा किरीट विक्रम किशोर मानिककनि अन्त्येष्टिक्रियानि दिन ओ महाराजा किरीट विक्रम किशोर मानिक जे सकजाकमानि आ सिमालंग जों थाङै तिनि खंबगलायखा जों समायतांखा जे तिनि अरनेग 27 November 2027 अरनेग वन नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि बमङै जों अर जत त्रिपुरासा जों अर गथंलायखा जों त्रिपुरासा जों जत थानसा जों यूनाइटेड chini je constitutional rights bono samang for the last 75 years state government handi government of India handi borok asa khana thaya hane bangin tini chini bowagra Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Manikya ba sara north east hangai ba salaikha ba borono ringkha ringmani pore tini aranewa one north east aranego kothon laikha or kothomani wa aranego Meghalaya ni honorable chief minister Mr. Conrad Sangma te Nagaland ni leaders Mohan Lomo Kokin angka te Assam ni leaders te Manipur ni leaders Manipur ni angka aba Ham Chandra ba former minister former speaker babu phai tawok sungna or nego phari ni phai tongo already borok phaichak or nego tawok phai tongo tawo honorable chief minister Meghalaya bo phai tongo angka te onenno leaders rok north east ni leaders rok bor already phaijak borok bachung kok salaijak angka amo tini chung praman khlaina nayu je chung tiprasa sung joto thansa sung chini constitutional rights na manane bagai chung joto milegoi Tripura ni je Tripura tongnai chung to joto thansa plus north east ni je indigenous borok tongnai rok borok bahaina chungna phai or no chubasu rona ni phaika asa khlai je tini ni o demonstration ni bisingtoi khlai government of India chini je constitutional rights constitutional je solution constitutional je man thai tongmani bono maro nai chung man chi nai amahai amo chung chini Maharaja chini maya ganang Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Manikya sudu sara Tripura ni chini Tripura sar no thui tongya ba joto north east ni joto indigenous borok tongnai borona thongui tini oranego chung unity chini thansa phonongna ne bai chung oranego jamaya tongkha
Lamso kahani ai chung tabuk TTADs ni chairman chini sar Jagadish Manfika sar sai khana gari tini ni omas gathering sung nugai man khamia bahine kuma challenges ni bisingo success khai phunu ka chin Tripura sikla rok opan no ngan thangai oba ke one notice foundation ni joto members chief minister phai tong Meghalaya ni oba kuma leaders sokwaijak bomsak dorati impact sokunya central government thani je chin Tripura sa accord implement khajana ni bagai
tini stable ground one notice unity ekota okkota bini basic nahar mungka chung Tripurani problem Tripurani basic demand chung Tripurani chung simino Tripura simino bonoti choba khlai chong movement khlai chong Meghalaya rok simiti problem raise khai chong bonoti movement khai chong Assam ni bo haino Assam ni borok simino oroni netritwa rok oroni রাজনীতি বদল রক প্রবলেম নতে মুভমেন্ট খাই দङ এবং বংनि ভয়েस रेस খাই दङ আমতেকে নাই নামেনি गोबांमा प्रॉब्लम रक सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अपनो ठीक भावे खायां माने जों नुकजागो तबक चिनि मूल अब नायमानि इंका जों नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि जत सन ऑफ द सॉइल जे तंगनाय रक चिनि त्रिपुरानि प्रॉब्लम जोंरा सेपारेट स्टेट मा खायनाय मेघालय नि डेवलपमेंट मणिपुर नि बंनि ओन डिमांड बंनि ओन बेसिक जे पॉइंट पॉलिटिशियन त्रिपुरालैंड नो मेघालय नि बरक आसाम नि बरक अपोज खायगलाक मेघालय नि जे नांगकोमनि डिमांड जों त्रिपुरा नि बरक अपोज खायगलाक काजै ताबुक जों बै सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जे कासा एकॉर्ड खायमानि मो एकॉर्ड तनो तंगो अबनि परिबो मेघालय नि बरक त्रिपुरासानि सेपारेट स्टेट नो सपोर्ट खायनाय मिजोराम नि बरक त्रिपुरासानि थिनांगो चिनि फ्यूचर नो चिनि बुसाबुति नि भविष्यत सिक्योरिटी होनानै बगै वी रिक्वायर त्रिपुरालैंड अपनो मिजोराम नि बरक मेघालय नि बरक मणिपुर नि बरक अरुणाचल नि बरक बो अरनि नेतृत्व सपोर्ट खायनाय अर्थात चिनि खरांनो तेबो थानचाकै जों तिसाना बगैनो अपनो सुंतिनि खाय दङ এবং अब बेलेखे नांगकुकमानि अपनो तै सारा त्रिपुरानि बरक North East borok tabuk belake tongtholajak tabuk siseng chengmaba angka khayo chini mo je step abo belake tinango chini oroni son of the soil ni Meghalaya ni son of the soil ni Mizoram ni son of the soil ni bongni jotte kisu mate soktai abo implementing nai abo achievement phainai.
The rally demonstrated widespread regional solidarity with several prominent leaders from various northeastern states and regions present to support the demands of Tripuра's indigenous people. Today, the rally saw the presence of several leaders including Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, former Minister of Nagaland Mohanlumo Kikon, Daniel Langthasa, founder of People's Party from Dima Hasao, Ajay Edwards, founder of Indian Gorkha Janshakti Front from Darjeeling, Hemachandra Singh, former Minister and Speaker of Manipur, R.K. Meghan, senior leader of Manipur, and James P.K. Sangma, president of NPP Meghalaya. Maharaja Pradit Kishore Debarma, speaking to a reporter of Chini Khorang, emphasized the new regional support. The Tripura people are no longer alone and have the support of all northeastern states. If we stand together, we grow bigger, but if we stay alone, we will fall, said the Bubagra.
Hi there. Right now, I'm just in front of Bubagra. We're going to take a short interview with him. Let us know what is the impact going to be in today's mass gathering that has been organized here in Astebal Playground. Bubagra, recently we have seen that the program was scheduled to be organized on 7th of this month. However, the government has rescheduled the day of the organization. And recently, yesterday also, they have somehow bring some challenges to decorate all this in this Maidan. So what will be the impact for today's gathering that will address the central government based on the Tripura Accord and One Foundation perspective?
I have my friend Conrad Sangma, I have Mulumo Kikon, I have R.K. Meghan, I have Hemachandra Singh, I have Daniel Langthasa. I've got so many people talking on behalf of our people. और अगर हम लोग ने एक आवाज़ में एक ही बात किया तो दिल्ली को हमको सीरियसली लेना पड़ेगा. अकेला फाइट करेंगे तो अकेला हारेंगे, एक संग फाइट करेंगे तो चांस है जीतने का. एंड इसी के लिए हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. हमको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कौन कितने बार भी रोके, हम लोग को जो करना हम करेंगे.
The BJP government is taking this as ADC election is coming ahead, so they are taking this on a view of the political strategy. Yeah, what will be your reply on this?
I was born a Triprasa, I am a Triprasa, I'll die a Triprasa. I don't change my political stance because of elections.
Yes. One last message for the people out there watching us on today's program.
एक है तो मुश्किल में पड़ेंगे, एक साथ रहेंगे तो हम लोग जीतेंगे.
Thank you so much, Bubagra.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma stated that One Northeast Foundation is established to unite all the indigenous community and address the issue with one voice.
Here we've got very special guest today with us, right all the way coming from Meghalaya, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sir Conrad Sangma ji. Let us know what will be the today's impact that will be addressing to the central governments based on the Tripura Accord and many other issues.
No, you see, I think we are trying to change the narrative. It's not about trying to make an impact or trying to send a message to Delhi or central government. All those things will happen. But our point here is to really provide that platform and to be able to bring our people of the region together so that we can become a one voice and a one Northeast. I think that's the larger message. In the process, obviously, there are many issues that we need to take up. And we will work on those one by one. And once we are together, as I said, we'll have a much stronger platform to move the issues that are important to us.
And one message, strong message for the people watching out there on today's occasion. And what will be the future perspectives?
My message to everyone is that it is time for us to come together. It is time for us to stand up. It is time for us to give our support and our hand together so that we can strengthen each other and we can strengthen the region and we can take up the matters and issues at all levels, whether it's the region, in the state or at the center.
Thank you so much and Hambai sir.
Thank you.
Mohanlumo Kikon highlighted the importance of the rally and the visible love of the people.
Sir, welcome first of all to Tripura. And how is your stay so far?
Thank you. It has been excellent. I've enjoyed the hospitality of the people and the food is amazing.
And so how is today's program going to address and bring some impact to the central government to address the issues facing by our Northeast, especially from Tripura?
See, first of all, the gathering of lakhs of people in the heart of Agartala itself is a big message. our speeches are to address the issues that we all face together. That itself is, way of telling the center that this is the voice of the people that we represent. We are not speaking into empty spaces. We are not talking with empty grounds or gatherings. We are with our people and people are with us. That is the message. Because what is democracy? It's of the people, for the people and by the people. So when you don't listen to the voice of the people, how are you respecting the spirit of democracy? So anybody, any leader who understands the voice of the people will listen to this gathering, will listen to the gathering of all these voices. Yeah, it is a simple example. It's a demonstration of our will, of our cry. And as leader, if you're not sensitive to the issues of the people, what kind of leader are you?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here we have another guest, all the way coming from Manipur. We have been the really good relations in history and today itself. So tell us about today's program and how is your impressions coming here?
Well, as I said, it's a dream come true for me. This has been a long-standing dream for all of us, and to stitch it into reality. I mean, thanks to the amazing leadership of Mr. Conrad Sangmaji and Pradyotji and all the leaders in the Northeast. And this is a historical, I think, moment for all of us. And I think our voice will be better heard, and we will be able to also resolve common issues through understanding, through dialogue. I think it is definitely a very good beginning.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Being here in Tripura, and tell us about something about today's program.
Yeah, I'm amazed to see the love for Bubagra, my friend Pradyut, the way that his people love him, and politics is in its own place, but leadership and his people really look up to his leadership. I think, if we come together, we become a united voice is better than splintered voices. So of course we are talking about the Northeast right now, but I am from a place called Darjeeling in Bengal. It's not in the Northeast in terms of classification, but our traditions match. We're tribal, indigenous, so if we come together, not just in the Northeast, but right from Leh Ladakh till Manipur, then that gives us a better, bigger voice in all of India, instead of being splintered with 1, 2, 3 MPs. We can come together, 30, 35 MPs plus can really look into our people's issues. Everyone has their own issues, but mostly we are underdeveloped in poverty, most of the places, lack of infrastructure. After 80 years of India's independence, we are still left behind in India's prosperity. So if we come together, the future of our people in the next 20 years, when India celebrates 100 years, that our people, Northeast, Leh, Ladakh, Sikkim, Darjeeling, we all come up like the rest of India, and our people have better opportunities like the rest of India. That our villages are not empty because they go to Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata for jobs. But our people will stay in their villages, do economic activities within their villages, get educated within our places. That is the vision for our people if we come together.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi there once again. Now we have another very special guest coming all the way from Dima Hasao. He's none other than Sir Daniel Langthasa. Sir, first of all, the awesome speech you have given was like too much. Like the Risa which you have said that has all the support from coming here today.
Yeah.
So first of all, tell us how was your impression coming here and the support you have seen that the people gathering here today has there is no space left. Outside the road also there is no
Yes,
space.
yes.
Lots of people has come to support just because you all have come to support from all the after the formation of North East Foundation Day. So sir, tell us firstly how will today's gathering going to show impact and address the central issues based on the Tiprasa Accord and many other indigenous issues.
See, first of all, Kulumga, Juthai. So, like our Maharaj Bubagra always says, that we have to be united for our voice to be taken more seriously. And this is a great initiative and a historic movement which is happening right now. And that it is starting from Agartala today. And with so many people together, I mean, it cannot be better than this. I have always been, from my small district of Dima Hasao, have been following the Greater Tipraland movement. And I have been a staunch supporter from day one. But it is very unfortunate that the central government has not given the respect to the accord which has been signed.
And it was supposed to be implemented by 6 months.
Yes, but let me tell you, I am disappointed, but I am not surprised. Why I am not surprised? Because it is not the first time that they have done this. The central government has done this. It has time and again fooled the people and taken advantage of the good heart of the people of Northeast. We have also signed accords. The Dimasa people have also signed accords. So many communities, the Nagas, everyone has signed accords, the Karbis. But every time they did not deliver on their promises. So they have always been taken as for granted. So now the time has come for people, for communities all across Northeast, irrespective of their borders and their language and their communities and their identity, to come together under one banner, under one identity, and that is one Northeast. And with that, I'm pretty sure things will change. How they take us seriously or not, that is going to change. And that is the first step. But the unity is also for ourselves. And that is why I said, why should we not unite? You know, what do we call this? Risha. This I brought from Dima Hasao. This we call Risha. If we are not similar, then who is similar? If we will not unite, who will unite? So the time has come for us to unite, not just politically. Politically is the glue, is the gum which will bind us. But we have to unite culturally, socially. And the youths will unite to build the economic future today. Tomorrow, when Tripura and Assam and Nagaland and Manipur and Mizoram, Meghalaya, Arunachal, Sikkim will do business together, the youth will do business together, build businesses together, then we will become the economic powerhouse that no one can defeat. Separately, we are small. We are only importing things from outside. We are not producing on our own. But we can produce and sell to each other, and together we will become a big economic zone. And that is the future which will make everyone prosperous in Northeast. But something has to start, right? There has to be a spark. Today is that spark. अभी तो सिर्फ माचिस जलाया है. अभी तो सिर्फ माचिस जलाया है. अभी जो आग लगेगा, अच्छा वाला आग, लेकिन किसी को जलाएगा नहीं, लेकिन अच्छा वाला आग जो लगेगा, जो से मतलब एक नया एक फ्यूचर अभी स्टार्ट होगा, वही हम आशा करता है.
One small strong message for the people watching out there on today's occasion.
Northeast के स्टेट से हम लोग आए हैं.
Don't be afraid. Be proud of your roots. There's nothing to be afraid. People always ask me, Daniel, are you not afraid? Because my father was killed in 2007 for speaking for his people. But I tell you, I am not afraid, because we are human beings, we will die. But our work lives on and it carries on and it will bless you. So don't be afraid. Speak up for your people. Speak up for Thansa, for unity, for Graushi Jamaniklahi, and then you see the world will come to you. You don't have to go anywhere. You can stand your ground and the world will bow down to you. Thank you.
Ambai sir.
The massive gathering is described as having shaken the unstable ground and whole of Agartala city with the large voices of the Tiprasa people. This event is widely expected to bring a significant change in the coming political landscape of Tripura and will surely put an impact and pressure on both the state and central governments regarding the indigenous demands. Reported by Nelson and Salsang from Agartala, Chini Khorang.